Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's been seeing the number 222 again and again, maybe when you wake up in the middle of the night, check the clock at work, or even get back exactly to $22 in change, then stick around. This video is for you. You're not alone. Thousands of people experience these repeating numbers and wonder what they mean. It could be a sign that you're more connected to the spiritual realm than you think. Because what if I told you this isn't just a coincidence? What if this is actually a message from your guardian angels trying to guide, protect, and uplift you in a crucial moment of your life? Signs like these often appear when you're at a turning point. And your angels want to make sure you don't miss the message. Today, we are diving deep into the real meaning of angel number 222, what your guardian angels are trying to tell you, and how it might be the sign you've been waiting for. Let's get started. Make sure to stay till the end. You might discover something that shifts your perspective. This could be the message your soul has been quietly waiting for. So, what does seeing 222 really mean? You keep seeing the number 222 in different places on your phone, your receipts, your laptop screen, or even in dreams. And if that's happening more than once or twice, it's probably not a fluke. There's a deeper pattern unfolding, and it's calling for your attention. It's like the universe is tapping on your shoulder, trying to wake you up to something important. In the world of angel numbers, 222 is deeply connected to faith, trust, balance, encouragement, and selflessness. It's a sign that you're being supported by the universe and your spiritual guides during a significant phase of your life. This number also stands for miracles and perfectly timed opportunities that are about to unfold for you. It's the kind of sign that reminds you there's more happening beyond what you can see. Even in the silence, divine energy is working for you. But before we go deeper into 222, we have to first understand the two numbers that make it up. Number 2 and master number 22. These numbers don't just carry meaning, they carry energy. Together, they create a powerful combination for transformation. The meaning of number 2 is all about partnerships, teamwork, and balance. It speaks to the power of working with others, building healthy connections, and trusting the process of life. This number also connects to your life's purpose, not just spiritually, but emotionally and mentally. It invites you to reflect on the relationships in your life and how they support or drain your energy. It's also a reminder that you're not meant to do everything alone. People who are aligned with the energy of 2 are usually empathetic, supportive, and patient. They're the ones others turn to for comfort and understanding. They naturally bring peace into any space they enter. Their calm presence often becomes a source of healing for others. The power of master number 22. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful. In numerology, 22 is known as the master builder. It's one of the most powerful numbers you can encounter. It carries the ability to turn big dreams into practical, achievable plans. It's like a blueprint for manifesting greatness. People influenced by 22 are the kind who turn dreams into reality. They're focused, intelligent, creative, and highly practical. They work hard, stay grounded, and make real, lasting changes in the world. They don't just hope, they build, step by step. They turn what seems impossible into something tangible and real. So when you combine these energies 2 and 22 into 222, the message becomes incredibly strong. It's a nudge to believe in both your vision and your ability to make it happen. This is a number that holds deep spiritual and earthly power. What your guardian angels want you to know. When 222 keeps showing up in your life, your guardian angels are telling you one main thing: you're on the right path, keep going. They're encouraging you to have faith even when things seem confusing or slow. Even when the path seems blocked, you're still moving forward. Every step you take is part of a greater journey. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly the way it's meant to, even if you don't understand it right now. The universe is working behind the scenes. Just because it's quiet doesn't mean nothing's happening. Your patience is being rewarded in unseen ways. There's no need to stress or worry about the outcome. Just keep doing what you're doing, and soon, the results will show. Your hard work, patience, and positive attitude will pay off. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but in the right time. This is a season of preparation, not punishment. You're closer to a breakthrough than you think. Stay grounded. Stay hopeful. It's easy to get discouraged when things aren't going your way. Maybe your career feels stuck. Maybe your love life is confusing. Maybe you feel like the universe has forgotten about you. But trust this, you're not invisible to the divine. Your journey is being guided, even in the silence. But 22 is a reminder to stay grounded and hopeful. It's a sign that good things are coming. You might be facing delays, obstacles, or unanswered prayers, but none of it is happening by accident. These challenges are building your inner strength. Your future self will thank you for not giving up now. 22 and love, what does it say about relationships? If you're single and wondering when love will come your way, 222 says, be patient. Focus on building yourself. The right person will appear when the time is right. You attract what you are, so nurture your peace and joy. Love will come when your soul is ready to receive it. If you're in a relationship and facing challenges, 222 asks you to look deeper. Is this person helping you grow? Are you supporting each other through thick and thin? Not every struggle means it's over, sometimes it's just a test. Growth in relationships often happens after the hardest moments. Sometimes, relationships go through rough patches, and your angels are telling you not to give up too soon. But, and this is important, 222 can also signal that the relationship might not be the one for you. Letting go can also be an act of love. You're allowed to choose peace over struggle. Ending something now could make space for someone truly aligned with your soul in the future. It's all about what's best for your growth and happiness. And your guardian angels are supporting you every step of the way. Even endings are sacred when they lead to new beginnings. Create balance in your life. When this angel number enters your life, it's a call to restore harmony in every area: work, relationships, health, and personal time. Without balance, even success feels empty. Your inner peace is the foundation for everything you want to build. Are you overworking and ignoring your mental peace? Are you spending too much time giving and not enough receiving? It's okay to slow down and recalibrate. You deserve to feel joy in your day-to-day life. 222 reminds you to find that middle ground. Balance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And when your life is in balance, you're in the best place to receive abundance, love, and divine guidance. Don't forget, your well-being is sacred. Create space for it. Why faith is everything right now. Seeing 222 over and over again is like a spiritual test. Your angels are watching how you respond during this waiting period. Do you stay hopeful, or do you give in to fear? This moment is shaping your future in powerful ways. Your mindset is more important than you realize. They're telling you to trust that your prayers have been heard and that the answers are on their way. You might not have all the details now, but the universe does. Let go of control and lean into trust. The divine timing is always perfect, even when it's not your timing. Just stay positive. Keep moving forward. Everything is lining up perfectly, even if it doesn't seem like it today. What feels delayed is not denied. It's just being prepared for you behind the scenes. The universe works in mysterious ways. Sometimes life feels chaotic. You try so hard, but nothing seems to go your way. You question if you're doing something wrong. You wonder if you've missed your chance or made a wrong turn. But your angels want you to know you're exactly where you need to be. But 222 says, you're not. You're exactly where you need to be. This number asks you to trust that the universe has a plan, and it's better than anything you could have imagined. You're being guided to something bigger than what you asked for. Let your faith be louder than your fear. Stay open, stay ready, and stay aligned with your truth. This is your journey, and it's unfolding beautifully, step by step. Believe in the timing. Believe in yourself. So the next time you see 222 on a clock, a receipt, or anywhere else, don't just brush it off. Pause for a second, take a deep breath, and remember this message. You're on the right path. Keep the faith. Everything is falling into place. You're more supported and loved than you could ever imagine. The universe is cheering you on. If this message resonated with you, give this video a like and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a message from your angels. Your journey matters, and we are honored to be part of it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay aligned, stay positive, and trust the journey. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.